Hey everyone, it's Sunday. I'm down at the shop, messing with the Z. It's Kamikaze. It's coming along nicely. It's looking good. Got the LS in there. Getting wired. Been messing with the wiring for a little while now, but if you follow the page, you know we are an automotive shop, and that's my private car. So everyone's else cars comes first, but so I've been messing with the wiring for a little while. Let's fix that light. Sorry guys. It's almost done. It's coming along. I gotta install air to fuel gauge. I'm gonna do that today, along with water pump and alternator and the bracket. But that might come back off because I need to do a custom routing for the belts. Yeah. Thankfully, Jim's been looking up some of that stuff and has found some other videos of people doing it. But here she is. Fuel cell and all that is installed. And we got some of my gauges working. Never mind the interior. It's a disaster right now. So we got a couple gauges. These two gauges, the volts work currently. The oil pressure does not, but we're going to fix that. So I'll actually be able to maintain two of the factory gauges. The other gauges were not going to be able to be maintained, but I did my best on keeping the factory appearance down here, with obviously the exception of the blue gauges. But I'm keeping all my fuel light, my seatbelt light, door light, brake light, battery light's going to work. My blinkers will work. I have them disconnected right now, though, inside the cluster. But all that's going to work, so it'll still maintain a very factory appearance. That's definitely been part of my goal for this build. I didn't want to just make it a stripped down shell of what it used to be. So that's that part so far. And here's the fuel cell, rear mounted battery. Trunk is gutted completely. However, we will be putting carpet in here, so it'll cover up some of that. So far, I'm very proud of our build here for Kamikaze. And so I got kicked out of a forum or a Facebook post or group. Sorry, because of this car. I guess I joined the wrong group, and they were purists, and they were upset that I did that to this car. And one guy was very, very mad that I put Cobra R rims and a Chevy motor in my GS 2x2 z31. I guess this was the Mac Daddy version back in the 80s, so he was quite irritated that I did that to this car. But we also got the Creeks Bend sticker on the back now, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more haters out there when I'm burning their asses down the track. Alright guys, that's my little update. I might do a little time lapse today. We'll see. I'm running all over the place, and I got my son down here with me, so have a good day.